Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I love anything that is helpful for the planet and reduces waste. These full circle dishcloths are completely biodegradable and replace so many paper towels that you use every day. They start out super dry and like paper-like feeling, but then once you get them wet, they turn into like this super soft, really absorbent cloth. We were using baby wipes to clean up our son after meals because we just didn't want our towels to get stained, but we started using these and he likes them so much better too. Another thing I love about these is that you can clean them on the top rack of the dishwasher and disinfect them so you don't have to worry about getting germy or bacteria or all that stuff gathered on them. I also use them a lot to wipe off my sink so that it doesn't get water spots on it after I've done the dishes because it absorbs so well and it really dries it off and makes it look great. I love how good these full circle dishcloths are for the environment, but also the cute patterns and that I can easily disinfect them. But that's just my point of view.